Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today I'm discussing about my code which I generated for my portfolio 8th April for GUI and programming activity where I run my code with different languages by making the design. I'll show you how I make it. We go to the NetBeans and then after this is the code I generate and I put the import Java Xstring, but at first I put with the Everest side game, and then after I put the class like a JFrame, and then after I go to this design. In first, it will show like this, while the application will when I make the first time application, it show like this, and then after while making GIF file, while making the JFrame file, it show like the source design, yeah. And in the design, I put like a text J label, which here J label like a welcome to Everest education game, and about the welcome that is the J label, and about the messages like guess the height of Mount Everest from 8,000 to 9,000 meter. And in this blue box, it's like a guessing box. You have to put your number, and then after you'll guess the number, actual number there. If you put the wrong number, then it shows the different message. If you put the right message, then it shows the congratulation message. And this is like a check cache button. If you put the number here, you will get the cache button here, which I put the button here, which is here button, where I can, yeah, this button, this is, and then after I put another button, restart game, and then after I put the feedback option also. It show when I win the game, it will show correct. When I make the wrong answer, then it's say the incorrect or invalid number. Yeah. And then after some of the search, I put like a private final int Everest height with the actual height of Mount Everest is added for it. And then after minimum range I put because it will be easier to guess. So 8,000 and max range will be like a 9,000. And then after INT item, I put the zero. It will start from the zero to one. And then after I put the title name Everest Height Cacher, and it will be like a hint between min range and the max range with the meter. Then after the all the code will be generated after putting this subject or this element or things which I designed here, and it will directly come to here with the code, and I make the changes in the like a private void check case. Like I make the attempt plus. We can attempt many time, and it's like a feedback means it's like a between and the meter. Sometimes if you put the like edit through it, then it will display the minimum range to the maximum range, which means that is incorrect. The actual height is 848 of the Everest. And about the reset cam, you can reset the cam like by doing restart the button, and you will get the feedback also there. And about the design, I make it here already. And while I'm run this code, if I run this code, it will show like this to me. It will show like this to me, it show the actual J level, and there is cache button, and this is the cache box, and then after this is the button, and this is the button, and it's give the hint like between 8,000 to 9,000. If you don't know the actual height of Mount Everest, then if you put 8376, if you do the guess, it will say the enter you have entered the valid. You didn't enter a valid number. Like if I you can also if you put this number, you can restart the game also, and the new game begin here. And If you put the actual number of the Mount Everest, like added for it, and you see the guess, and then you will get like congratulations, you reached the Everest height in one attempt. This is the example I given, and this is my code which I generated myself, and I designed my interior design, and this is for my portfolio, GUI programming in interactivity, and thank you.